A key goal of computer vision is to estimate human-object interactions from video. The way humans interact with objects is important to understand human goals and behavior. Learning models of human-object interaction require data. To this end, we present a new database called Grab of people interacting with objects. Grab captures the full 3D human body, hands, and face in more detail than any previous dataset. Traditionally, grasping has been viewed as a single hand lifting an object in a stable way. Most previous work focuses on prehensile grasps. But the hands are only part of the story. As infants, our earliest grasps involve bringing objects to the mouth. Since grasping involves the entire body, we adopt the generalized notion of whole-body grasps. Grasping is fundamentally three-dimensional. It involves 3D objects, hand shape, full-body pose, and full-body contact. Existing datasets do not capture the full richness of body and hand articulation together. We fill this gap with the Grab dataset, which stands for Grasping Actions with Bodies. To capture whole-body grasps, we fit an expressive 3D model to motion capture data. Capturing human-object interaction also requires accurate 3D object models. For this reason, we 3D print the objects from the ContactDB database. To capture their motion precisely, we glue small hemispherical reflective markers to their surface. To capture detailed human motion, we use the marker set shown in red. We capture roughly 100 markers placed on the body, face, and fingers. To record the human object pose, we use a high-resolution Vicon motion capture system with 54 cameras. We adapt MoCap to fit the simplex body model and object meshes to the markers. This is challenging because the body and the object occlude each other. Note that we capture detailed finger movement and facial motion. Simplex represents the surface of the human body. This enables us to infer the contact between the human and the object surface. Contact regions on the object are shown in red and are enlarged for visibility. The interaction with many objects involves the face. Aggregating contact maps over time gives contact heat maps on both the human and object surface. Heat maps highlight the surface areas that are important for interaction. Grab contains 10 subjects interacting with 51 everyday objects of various shapes and sizes. Uniquely, we reconstruct 3D meshes for both the full body human motion and the object. The Grab dataset goes significantly beyond any previous dataset for modeling and understanding object grasping and manipulation. In total, it includes more than 1,300 sequences and 1.6 million frames. The Grab dataset includes interactions with 4 different intents, namely lifting, handing over, offhand passing, and using, depending on the object's affordances and functionality. Using a hammer involves 1 hand. Passing a piggy bank involves 2 hands. However, the whole body is involved in eating a banana or drinking from a bowl. Grab is designed for machine learning. In computer vision, we want to estimate whole body grasping from images and video. In computer graphics, we want to generate realistic hand-objects interactions for novel objects. Current approaches either lack realism or require manual animation. Grab provides the training data needed to learn about object manipulation. We use Grab to train GrabNet, a novel conditional generative network to predict 3D grasps of unseen objects. Here, we focus only on the hand and extract mano-hand parameters from the simplex body. To model hand interaction with arbitrary objects, we need a 3D representation that generalizes to any object shape. We adopt the basis point set representation, which models shape in terms of the distances from a fixed set of basis points in 3D space. GrabNet consists of 2 successive models, namely CoarseNet and RefineNet. CoarseNet has the form of a conditional variational autoencoder and reconstructs grasps as mano-hand parameters conditioned on object shape. The reconstructed grasps are reasonable but often have some room for improvement. RefineNet manages to refine the initial grasps for more plausible contacts by taking into account the distances from the hand to the object as well as a penetration and contact loss. From the reconstructed mano-hand mesh and the given object mesh, we compute contact areas. These are shown here with red and are enlarged for visibility. By inferring parameters of the mano-hand model, GrabNet constrains contact to be anthropomorphically plausible. Here, we see generated grasps for several unseen object shapes. To evaluate the realism of our generations, we perform a perceptual study on AMT. For each of our 6 unseen test objects, we generate 20 grasps, mix them with 20 ground truth grasps, and show them with a rotating 3D viewpoint to our participants. Then, we ask participants how they agree with the statement humans can grasp this object as the video shows. Answers are on a 5-level Likert scale, where 5 denotes strongly agree and 1 denotes strongly disagree. The histogram of responses shows that GrabNet generates hand poses that look realistic. Here, we show samples of generated grasps together with the average Likert score they received to give an idea of how scores look qualitatively. GrabNet sometimes fails, and the hand penetrates the object. This could be fixed with a post-processing optimization-based step that minimizes hand-object penetration. Grab represents a new level of detail for modeling human-object interaction. The dataset supports a wide range of future work, such as inferring multi-hand grasping, whole-body grasps, and the full movement of the body during object manipulation. A long-term goal is to use Grab to train avatars to interact with novel scenes. To facilitate research in these directions, the Grab dataset and GrabNet model are available for research purposes. Please visit our project website for more details.